Hello everyone. Today we are going to upgrade the memory in an HP Elitebook 840 laptop. So let's get started. You start by flipping the laptop over onto its other side. There's a little switch here, which then we open up the back, and the memory is right here. So we're going to remove the memory module by removing the two clips, take it out, and put in the new memory stick. And the new memory stick pops right in. We then put the back on. Once again, and we flip the switch to lock it. And then we always want to open up the laptop and turn it on. And of course we will see the amount of system memory has changed. And we will go from there. And I hope this tutorial is good for you. And have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.